தமிழ் தாய் வாழ்த்து. I request the gathering to please sit down. Now I request Sweta of Great Well to give welcome speech.
Myself Sweta, Deputy Head Girl of JPS. Respected Chief Guest, esteemed dignitaries, teachers, participants, parents and dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to each one of you on this auspicious occasion of International Day of Yoga. Today we gather here not just to celebrate a form of exercise, but to embrace a way of life that promotes harmony and peace within oneself and with the world around us. Yoga, an ancient practice originating from our rich heritage, holds profound significance in today's fast-paced world. It teaches us to unite the body, mind and soul through various postures, breathing exercises and meditation. Beyond the physical benefits, yoga fosters mental clarity, emotional balance and spiritual growth. This year's theme, the Women Empowerment, emphasizes the holistic approach of yoga towards health and well-being. As we join together in these sessions and discussions, let us immerse ourselves in the teachings of yoga, learning not just the poses but the principles that guide us towards a healthier and more harmonious life. Once again, a heartfelt welcome to all of you. Let us embrace this opportunity to rejuvenate our bodies, calm our minds, and nurture our spirits as we celebrate the International Day of Yoga. Thank you.
Thank you, Sweta. Now I would like to call Aniket of Great Well to read about Chief Guest profile.
Good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of JPS family, I welcome our chief guest, Mr. Tamil Selvi ma'am. Ma'am has been awarded with 2 World Guinness Record certificate got for Sarvangasna and Setu Bandasana challenge for from United Kingdom. She have been teaching for Diploma BSc, MSc Yoga for Human Excellence subject since 2017. She also acted as a resource person for the online Zoom classes of BSc Yoga, PG Diploma, Certificate course in Yoga, Yoga and Naturopathy, Yoga Therapy and Herbal Science. We welcome you, ma'am.
I request our Principal Sir to felicitate Tamil Selvi ma'am.
Next, I would like to welcome Ms. Madhavi ma'am, who is a yoga teacher training program Krishnamacharya Yoga Madhiram. One of Chennai's most well-known yoga landmarks is Krishnamacharya Yoga Madhiram, established by TKV Desikachar in 1976 as a non-profit public charitable trust. KYM is among the premier center of yoga and yoga therapy in India. Completed a 2 years teacher training program and is currently conducting workshop and teaching yoga to kids and women. We welcome you, ma'am. I request our Principal Sir and SO Sir to felicitate. I would like to welcome Ms. Sovana ma'am. She is certified yoga teacher in designing and leading flow and vinyasa in yoga classes. In July 2023, completed an advanced 2-year yoga teacher training in KYM and acquired an in-depth knowledge about postures, breathing technique, and spiritual elements of yoga teaching. She is also a certified prenatal and postnatal yoga trainer. We welcome you, ma'am. I request our principal sir and associate sir to felicitate Miss Sovana ma'am.
Wishing you all happy International Yoga Day. Today, now we all are going to, including all teachers, we all are going to do yoga. First starting with Surya Namaskar and different asanas. So we'll start now. Starting with the prayer. Join your hands. Anjani Mudra. Everyone sitting in Anjani Mudra straight. Anjani Mudra is joining your hands. We'll say the prayer. Yoga prayer. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjali pranjali rahosami
पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणं सहस्रशिरसं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिं श्रीमते अनन्ताय नागराजाय नमो नमः ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Warm up exercise. Everyone stand up. Stand on your toes. Heels, toes, heels, toes, heels. Stand straight. Raise your hands up. Stretch it up. Raise your hands up. Stretch it up. Stand on your toes. Hands down. Keep the hands on your shoulders. Rotate 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. Hands down. Bend forward, straight, back, straight, forward, straight, back, straight. Bend to your left, straight, right, straight, left, straight, right, straight. Stretch your legs in front. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise with your right leg. Stretch, rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Stand straight. First we'll do Tadasana. Stretch your hands up. Raise it up. Everyone, mountain pose. Raise your hands up. For 10 seconds we'll be in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. One more time. Raise your hands up. Stretch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands down. Vrikshasana. Everyone stand straight. Raise your left leg. Put it on your right thigh. Both the hands up. Both the hands up. Join it. Join your hands. Stand straight. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With other leg. Teachers, you all can come on stage if anyone interested. Students, sir, 2-3 students, can I call students? Teachers, those who are interested, please come on stage.
Yeah, hello. While doing Tadasana, if you want to stay balanced, not moving here and there, you may just try doing this. Look at a fixed point somewhere on the ground. Have a fixed focus on a point on the ground and then try to go to the balance so that you won't waver or move down. Just try. Okay, stand straight, feet together, legs together, arms by the side of your body, spine erect, chin tucks, mildly tucked. Look at one point on the ground, fixed. And breathe here. Take some inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, slowly raise your arms from the side, simultaneously lifting your heel and take your arms up. Perfect. Inhale there. Stay there for a breath. Exhale there. Take one more inhale there. Now on the next exhale, bring your arms down, simultaneously bringing your feet down. Okay. Now we'll do the Tadasana again, Vrikshasana. Take your arms from the side above your head. Stay for one more breath there. Inhale there. Exhale there. Inhale there. And on the next exhale, bring your arms down. Now, take your left leg, feet, and place it on your right inner thigh. And if you're not able to place your inner thigh, don't place it in your knee, you won't have the balance. Rather, place it near your ankle. Initially, you may start with this. This is a modification, okay? You can try this. Place it here. And as you inhale, raise your arms from the side, go up and place your palms together. Look at one point on the ground. Stay focused. Inhale there. Exhale there. Inhale there. On the next exhale, lower your arms from the sides and bring your foot down. Yeah, this is Vrikshasana.
Next. Okay, children, now we all are going to do Surya Namaskar. Stand straight, one arm distance. Everyone standing in a straight line, one arm distance. Surya Namaskar. Standing in Anjani Mudra. Join your hands. Anjani Mudra. Om Mitraya Namaha. 1. Raise your hands up. 2. Bend forward. 3. Get set, go position. 4. Wait, 3, 4. 4. 5. Plank position. 6. 7. Raise yourself up. 8. Mountain position. 9. Get set, go position. Right leg with your right leg. 10. Again, bend forward. Touch your toes. 11. Raise your hands up. 12. Join your hands.
We'll try this instruction on the right side with modifications. Okay, you don't have to push if you're not able to do, just do with the modifications. Spine erect, chin tucked. Look at one point on the ground. Take a gentle breath here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, raise your arms from the front above the head. Exhale, bend forward slowly from your lower back. Try to place your palm on the ground. If you're not able to, it's okay totally. You can just place wherever you can. Inhale and take your left foot back, placing your knee on the ground. Look forward, look forward. Yes. On the exhale, take your right foot leg back to Adho Mukhasana. Try to firmly press your feet on the ground. If you're not able to, that is fine. Look down totally. Leave your head hanging loose. Yeah. On inhale, go down to Chaturanga Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Yeah, look forward. Look forward. Go down to Urdhva Mukha. Yeah. On exhale, go down to Chaturanga or Sashtanga Namaskaram that we do at the temple. Take your arms front. Yeah. Stay there. Take one inhale. Exhale. And on the next inhale, Raise your chest up to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Again, look forward. Eyes fixed forward. Yes. Little more up. Take your chest up. Yes, perfect. And on the exhale, lift your hip up and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to press your feet on the ground. If not possible, bend your knees slightly. Hang your head there. And on the next inhale, take your left foot forward. Yeah. And on the exhale, take your right foot forward, go to Uttanasanam, head down, knee bent, stay there. And on the inhale, rise up, take your arms up. Yeah. Exhale, bring your arms from the front slowly to the sides. Get back to Samasthiti, everybody. Please don't talk. Yeah. Yeah. Stand straight, feet together, legs together, knees straight, arms by the side of your body. Take a gentle inhale here. Exhale there. Now we are going to do from the right side, okay? Inhale, raise your arms from the front above your head. Exhale, bend down from your lower back slowly. Try to place your palm wherever possible. Yeah. Inhale, take your right leg back, knee on the floor. Look forward. Yeah. Exhale, take your left leg back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, head loose, hung down. Yeah. And inhale, lower your hip and go to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Look forward. Lower your hip. Yeah. And exhale, go down to Chaturanga or Sashtanga Namaskar. Your forehead should touch the ground. Body straight. Stay for one breath here. Inhale here. Exhale here. On the next inhale, lift your chest up to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Look forward.
Everyone lie down straight. Turn to your left, lying down position. Turn to your left. We are going to do Vishnu Asana. You know how Vishnu lie down? Keep your left hand under your head. Lie down straight. Lie down. Raise your right leg up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs down, hands down. Okay. Now lie down on your back. Lie down. Fold your legs. Setu Bandhasana. Lie down on your back. Everyone lie down on your back. We are going to do Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Tuck in your, fold your legs. Try to touch your ankles with your hands. Try to touch your ankles with your hands. Raise your back up slowly. As much as possible, try to raise your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, very good. Very nice. Now, in this position, put your back, try to look up. Raise yourself up from your chest. Raise yourself up. Try to look up. Yes. Keep both the hands now straight. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good asana for your spine. Lie down. It will help to give flexibility to your spine. Very good asana for your spine. One more time we will do. If possible, try to increase the time limit. 1, raise yourself up. Hands near your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lie down. Lie down. Relax. Relax. Lie down in Shavasana. You can come back to Shavasana. Turn around and come back to Shavasana. Relax yourself. Very good. Everyone lie down.
Place your palm on the ground. Elbows stretched. It should not be bent. Forehead should not touch the ground. Take few breath here. Inhale here. Exhale. Feel the stretch in your lower spine. And on the next inhale, come up to the kneeling position. Raise your arm up. Come up to the kneeling position. And on exhale, bring your arms down to your lap and sit up on your heel.
Next, we are going to do Mandukasana. Make a fist of your hand. Fist. Both the hands, make a fist of your hand. Keep it under your belly. Keep it under your belly. Bend forward. Bend forward. Slowly bend forward. Try to be in this position for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise yourself up. One more time. Keep the hands under your belly. Okay? Keep the hands under your belly. You will feel the pressure. You will feel the pressure on your pancreas. This is very good exercise for diabetic patients. It helps in releasing insulin. So, yes, I know all the children, you all are not a diabetic patient, but in future or in your home, you can tell your parents, it is very good exercise. It helps in releasing insulin and it is very helpful for digestion also. Okay? Keep both the hands, make a fist of your hand, keep it under your belly and bend forward. Bend forward slowly. Bear the pressure for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise yourself up. Very good. Next, we are going to do Paschimottanasana.
Sit in the normal seated position. Sit comfortably, place your palm on your knees. Take few normal breath here. Close your eyes. Relax. Take few normal breath here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We'll be doing Paschimottanasana. Stretch both your legs forward. Spine erect. Chin tucked. Palms on your knee, lap. Yeah. Inhale, raise your arms from the front. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Try to touch your toe. If not possible, you can bend your knee. You can bend your knee slightly. If you're not able to touch your toe, it's totally fine to bend your knees. Yeah. And inhale, raise your arm up above your head. Exhale, lower your arm to your thighs. We'll do one more round. Inhale, raise your arm up slowly. Exhale, bend forward, try to touch your toe. You can bend your knee or you can touch wherever possible in your ankle or your shin. Yeah. Inhale, raise your arm up. Exhale, bring your arms down to your lap. Now fold your knees and go back to seated position. We'll be doing some pranayama.
Exhale from left. Again, inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. One more round. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Exhale from left. Relax. Relax yourself. Fully relax. Eyes closed. Concentrate on your breathing. Inhaling, exhaling. Santhashwasan. Santhashwasan, simple, soft breathing. You are not breathing very high, normal. Normal breathing. Santhashwasan. Normal breathing. Now we are going to do deep breathing. I will count 8 counts. In 8 counts you have to breathe in. In 8 counts you have to breathe out. Okay. Slowly we are breathing. Slowly we are breathe out. Okay. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now let's do Omkar. Inhale and then start Omkar. Okay? You have to chant. We all are going to chant together Omkar. Let's start. Inhale.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. From 6 to 8 they have done some theme performance. So I'm calling from grade 6A.
From Sanskrit, it means to unite, which is a union of body, mind, and soul. Yeah, that is totally there. But yoga has other aspects as well. Yoga is a composition of three main factors like asana, pranayama, and meditation, dhyana. All three together is yoga. And it is just about how we improvise ourselves in the way we live everyday life. Yoga is not about comparing ourselves with others. That is the main thing we have to learn. We all are unique individuals in our own way. So at any point, there is no need to compare ourselves with anything to any other person. Okay? So that is a mindset you have to start practicing your yoga. And another thing is that you have to start from where you can. And ahimsa is the main thing we have to follow here while doing asana as well. Please don't think I'm not able to do this asana perfectly or I'm not able to do what the other person is doing. That is absolutely not needed. Yoga is all about doing what you can. Start from where you can. Assess your limitations, start from where you can, and then do it slowly, consistently every day is the key here. Consistent practice every day to your limits and then reach to a higher level. That is all about yoga. And this year, the theme is mainly self and the society. So I would like to quote one sutra from Yoga Sutra written by Patanjali. That is Maitri Karuna Mudita Upekshanam Bhavanartha Chitta Prasadanam. It means this is relevant to the day we are celebrating today in the sense self and society. How you are related to the society. Each individual makes up the society, right? So the self with the society. So basically it comes under the Ashtanga of Yama and Niyama. Like how you treat others and how you treat yourself. That is also most important. The way you treat others, you have to treat yourself with respect, compassion, and love too. So that is about Yama and Niyama. So this sutra says that Maitri means friendship to others. How you extend your friendship to others, the attitude you have. And Karuna is compassion. And Mudita is like being joyful when others cherish their success. So when someone succeeds in something, you should be happy about it because you don't feel jealous that way. We don't get the negative attributes. So that is about mudita, and upekshanam is being disconnected from that disturbs you or makes you unpleasant. You can be totally away from that because you have to keep your inner peace intact. So this is the sutra that tells about how we have to conduct ourselves with the society and make the society better. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Enjoy? Can I have a thumbs up if you really enjoy? Yeah. So, yoga, everybody spoke more about yoga, is not about performing. Yoga is not how the form is, how you do the posture. It's all about how you feel inside while you're doing your posture. So, definitely by the end of today, you will see a slight better you by the end of the day. So you have to improve your memory power, write your exams better. All that is possible if you concentrate. Your concentration also improves. So please practice yoga, spread the awareness among your family and your friends. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Good morning, one and all. Very good to see you all. This is the right time to start yoga. I'm audible? This is the right time to start yoga. So, I would like say in Tamil, வருமுன் காவாதான் வாழ்க்கை வைத்தூரும் புல் போல் எரித்துவிடும். Tirukkural says that prevention is better than cure, that's all. So if you are doing yoga practices daily, surely you will get benefit. So action is boomerang. So whatever you do, it will come back. It will reflect on you. Okay? Today, நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், இப்போ ஒரு ரெவெஞ்ச் எடுக்கிறோம். இன்னிலேருந்து யோகா ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
Good morning to everyone. I am Advait and he is Madhusai. Today we are going to explain about our class boys Yoga Day performance. The theme of the performance is sunrise.
There are 3 asanas. They are Tadasana, Veerbhadrasana and Chakrasana. For the center of the sun, Litesh is doing Tadasana and also for the center race. For the other race, they are doing Veerbhadrasana, and at the last for the mountains, these 5 boys doing Chakrasana known as the wheel pose.
Butterfly thing. Now I'll explain about the benefits of these asanas.
Girls, what you all are performing? Butterfly. Okay. Boys, relax yourself. Stand aside.
Good morning to all present here. We are from grade 6A. On this special day, our team has decided to do butterfly pose. Let me explain. The middle one is Sinendra, who is doing Vrikshasana. Who is sitting down is Seja Shri doing Ridungasana. And the rest of them are doing Natrajasana for wings. Let me tell about benefits.
Okay, girls, relax. Back to your place. 6th B students. 6th B students. These students, you can go back to your place. 6th B students, those who are performing, please come first on the stage.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we, the student of grade 6B, are going to fly from the JPS jet to International Yoga Day. As today, theme of Yoga Day is women empowerment. Our class girls have together formed the jet with the support of few boys. They are going to fly high in the occasion of Yoga Day. The jet has been made up of different yoga asanas, which has a huge amount of benefits such as Balasana, child pose, helps in Patangasana, kite pose.
Okay, students, thank you. They have very well formed aeroplane. You have seen the jet. JPS jet. Very nice. Next, 7th standard students. The one who is giving the speech, please be fast. Who is giving the speech? Okay, Buddha is sitting in center. Here, both of them, they are doing Veerbhadrasana. Girls are standing in Tadasana. Boys, they are doing meditation. A mountain is formed in front of them. Mahavir is sitting and Buddha is sitting and doing meditation. Very nice. Raise your hands up. Very good. Thank you, children. They are performing a tree, roots of the tree, branches, roots of the tree. They are sitting in Padmasana. Then the one sitting behind as a tree, Mridangasana, Garudasana. All the other are the two standing in front are the doing Natarajasana as the branches of the tree. Next, those who are doing Veerbhadrasana are the leaves, blooming flowers. First,
The first standing asana is Vrikshasana, the tree pose, which helps to strengthen our leg and helps with balance. The first sitting asana is Veerbhadrasana, which helps in the awareness of hip alignment, reduces stress. The last but not least, the standing asana is Tadasana, the mountain pose. It's a wonderful stretch for the abdomen, back, shoulders and arms. The last sitting asana is Balasana. It is a good stretch for the shoulder and for the ankles.
just raise your hands who all knows the answer. Okay. First, who invented yoga? Who invented yoga? Raise your hand. If anyone knows the answer, just raise your hand. Who invented yoga? Raise your hand and say. Very good, Lord Shiva. Which yoga pose is known as mountain pose? Which yoga pose is known as mountain pose? Very good, Tadasana. Which yoga pose is known as lotus pose? Lotus pose. Which yoga pose is known as lotus pose? Padmasana. How many steps are there in Surya Namaskar? Super. Anantasana or Vishnu Asana. It is a sleeping asana, sitting asana or standing asana. Very good. This International Yoga Day was first celebrated in which year? Which year? International Yoga Day was first celebrated in which year? The answer is 2014. It was first celebrated in the year 2014. Which asana is known as wind relieving pose? Wind relieving pose. It helps. We have done today wind relieving pose. Which asana helps in wind relieving pose? Anyone? Which asana helps in wind relieving pose? Pavan Muktasana. The word Bhujangasana refers to which animal? The word Bhujangasana refers to? Yes, very good. Cobra.
Children, can we give a big round of applause for the children, those who are standing in the stage? They have made a beautiful poster. You can see it in the notice board. It was kept in the first floor. Performed sunrises position. They are first hip 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 hip. The next one, who is second position? Who is second position? Who got the second place? Who performed JPS? Hip hip. Yeah, the third position goes to flower blooming. Flower bloomers. Who are all day? The third position goes to flower. Yeah. Grade 8 got the third position. You will get the card from your yoga ma'am very soon.
Hello everyone, I am Invendan and I am here to deliver my vote of thanks. On behalf of JPS, I extend my heartfelt gratitude each one of you for gracing us with your presence on this International Day of Yoga celebration. First and foremost, we are deeply grateful to Chief Guest taking the time out of a busy schedule to joining us today, who have guided us through the yoga session with patience and expertise. Your dedication to spreading the practice of yoga is truly commendable. To all the participants, thank you for your enthusiastic participation and for making this event success. Your presence here today reflects your commitment to embarrassing hottest lifestyle through yoga. Thank you once again to everyone present here. Have a wonderful day ahead. Attention, National Anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की